Children, in the previous part in exercise 8C, we have done till question number 17. Today we will continue with question number 18. Using the test of divisibility, check whether the following numbers are divisible by. First question, first you have to check the numbers whether it is divisible by 2 or not. We have learnt the divisibility rule of 2. If the number at the ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then that number will be divisible by 2. First question, 7854. 4 is there, divisible by 2. Then 2065. Here 5 is there, which is not divisible by 2. Hence 2065 is not divisible by 2. Second question, 7962. You will add up the digits. When you add, you get 24. Is 24 divisible by 3? Yes. So 24 is divisible by 3. Hence 7962 is also divisible by 3. Then second question, 5836. Add up the digits. 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 22. 22 is not divisible by 3. Hence 5836 is also not divisible by 3. Fourth question, you have to find whether the given number is divisible by 4 or not. 8534. Last two digits you have to see to check the divisibility rule of 4. 34. Is 34 divisible by 4? No, it is not divisible. Hence 8534 is also not divisible by 4. Second question, 7008. Last two digits 08. Is 8 divisible by 4? Yes. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 8 is divisible by 4. So 7008 is also divisible by 4. Next, D bit. You have to find whether the given number is divisible by 5 or not. First question, 8325. Unit digit is 5. So 8325 is divisible by 5. Second question, 64058. Here 8 is there at units place. Unit digit is 8. So 64058 is not divisible by 5. Next, you have to find the given number is divisible by 9 or not. 5886. Add up the digits. When you add, you get 27. Is 27 divisible by 9? Yes. 27 is divisible by 9. Hence 5886 is divisible by 9. Second question, 53883. Add up the digits. 5 plus 3 plus 8 plus 8 plus 3 is equal to 27. Again 27 is divisible by 9. Hence 53883 is divisible by 9. Next, you will find whether the given number is divisible by 10 or not. 25301. Here the ones place 1 is there. So it is not divisible by 10. 63980. Here 0 is there at ones place. So 63980 is divisible by 10. Next, 19th question. Write the prime factorization of 72. You have to write the prime factorization. You can break 72 as 2 into 36. Now 36 further you can break as 3 into 12. 12 you can further break as 3 into 4. 4 you can further break as 2 into 2. So 72 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. Here this 2 we have written first, then this 3 here, then 2 into 2. Here you see all the numbers are prime. They have only two factors, that is 1 and itself. Hence 72 is written as the product of prime factorization, or the prime factorization of 72 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. Next, 20. Express each of the following as the product of prime numbers. First question 120. You have to express it as a product of prime factors. 2 into 60 is equal to 120. You will write 2 here, 60 here. Now 60 you can further break as 2 into 30. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Then 30 again you can break as 2 into 15. So 2 into 15 is equal to 30. Then 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Here you get the numbers 2, 2, 2, 3 and 5. These all numbers are prime. Hence 120 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Second question 210. First we will see whether the given number is divisible by 2 or not. 0 is there at ones place. Yes, it is divisible. 2 into 105 is equal to 210. Then 5 into 21 is equal to 105. 7 into 3 is equal to 21. Hence 210 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Next, draw a factor tree to show the prime factorization of. You have to draw the factor tree. First question 40. You can break 40 as 2 into 20. 20 further you can break as 2 into 10. 10 further you can break as 2 into 5. Here this 2 you will continue writing till the last step. So 40 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Second question 72. You can write 72 as 2 into 36. 36 further you can break as 2 into 18. Then 18 further you can break as 2 into 9. 9 further you can break as 3 into 3. Here the numbers which we got in the last step are all prime numbers. So prime factorization of 72 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This 2 you will continue writing down till the last step.